So this has been making its rounds on the internet for years, so it gets its own video. We made a 3D printed Squidward. So, as I said, this is a very common meme that almost everybody has seen probably at some point. And it has an interesting story in that this character, Handsome Squidward, which was on the Spongebob show, showed up for like one episode. So it's a very small piece of pop culture. It was not recurring. It did not come around any other times on that show. And yet, it makes the rounds all over the place on the internet. So we were like, oh, we gotta do this. So we actually have most of the internet memes. We have like the laugh out loud meme and a number of different ones. But this one we wanted to give its own slot just because it's this awesome. This model was made by a gentleman by the name of Bernhard Vanderhorst, who is a designer who's been working with Angled actually for quite a while. And when we were looking for a Handsome Squidward, we basically put out the call and searched through what our designers had been making. And he came up as the one who had a Handsome Squidward. And we pulled it down and it was perfect because the model had all the details of the face, but it was also textured, pre-textured, which makes it great for 3D printing because you get a good feel and it's not trying to be super smooth or anything like that, which can sometimes create a bad result if you're printing it. But it had all the details, every part of the joke in there. And in fact, this model was actually part of a figurine that was full body Handsome Squidward. So maybe one of these days we might actually print that one out and add it to Angled somewhere. But for now we just wanted to show the headphone stand. It is of the typical size of all of our headphone stands. So about 80% real life size so that it doesn't stretch out your headphones. But again, it makes a statement if it's on your desk. We did it in the ocean blue and an actual gray. We didn't have a gray one around for this video. But if you're looking at this and wondering how big it is, that's how big the headphone stands are, or headphones are on a regular person. I actually have kind of an oversized head, but and that's how big they are on one of the stands. So if you're wondering kind of the context and sizing of all of that, that's about where it is. Again, right up there, just in case you missed it the first time. But no, it's just an awesome model, and given the fact that it is such a popular internet meme, we knew that we just had to give it its own video. So let us know what you think down in the comments. Let us know of any other models that you'd like to see or designers that you think we ought to talk to. We're always looking for other cool stuff. So let us know what you think. Have a great day, everybody.